If you want to stop accidental purchases on Epic Games and keep your account more secure, setting up a purchase pin is a great idea. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set a pin for Epic Games purchases in just a few easy steps. This is especially helpful if you share your account, if kids use the device, or if you simply want an extra layer of protection before any payment goes through. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your web browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Once the page loads, sign into the account where you want to add the purchase pin. Make sure you're using the correct account because the settings you change here will apply to that Epic Games profile. After you log in, look for your account settings. From there, find the Parental Controls section. This is where Epic Games keeps the tools for managing account restrictions and purchase security. Once you're inside Parental Controls, you'll need to create a 6-digit PIN. Choose a PIN that you'll remember, but make sure it's not something too obvious like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 or your birthday. A strong PIN is simple to remember, but difficult for someone else to guess. After entering the 6-digit code, confirm it so the PIN gets saved to your account. Now that the PIN is established, the next step is to turn on the purchase protection setting. Look for the Epic Games payment section and then find the option that says Require PIN for purchases. Turn that toggle on. This tells Epic Games to ask for your PIN anytime a purchase is made, which helps prevent unauthorized or accidental transactions. Once that setting is enabled, your purchase PIN is active and future purchases will require the code before they can go through. That means if anyone tries to buy a game, add-on, or other item on your account, they'll need the PIN first. It's a simple change, but it can save you a lot of trouble later. If you ever need to update your settings, you can come back to the same parental controls area and adjust the PIN or payment restrictions again. So to recap, sign into Epic Games, open Parental Controls, create your 6-digit PIN, and then enable Require PIN for purchases under Epic Games Payment. And that's it. You've now added an extra layer of security to your Epic Games account. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials just like this one.